How's it going, everybody? Welcome to the channel Take and Make. Yes, guys, as you can see, I finally purchased a drill press, and this is a beast of the machine. I'm at my buddy's garage, and he's gonna let me keep this machine here for a while, and I'm gonna come to his place and work on my projects. Yeah, this is Delta 14. It was manufactured in 1989. This is over 30 years old machine, guys. But take a look at its condition. It's nearly brand new. It only seen one owner before. Okay, let's take a closer look. Take a look at those pulleys. That is crazy, guys. Check this table out. Not a single scratch or drill bit mark on it. So this awesome drill press will deserve nice built table for it. My idea is to use as a base two of those filing cabinets. I bought them used. And I want to make a countertop from plywood and put it on top of them. And also we need to build a platform for the bottom where those two cabinets going to be sitting. And we may put everything on casters, so it's nice and easy to move around the shop. Okay, let's get to work. So let's mark a couple lines with our speed square and 4-foot level, pre-drill, and screw this countertop together. And our countertop is almost ready for sanding. If you guys noticed, I used two of factory edge right here to line up because I know it's square for sure. And now we're gonna work on a base for this beautiful table. Okay, so I measured our boxes, and two of them together would make a square 21 3/4 inches by 30. So let's measure that and cut this out of this sheet of plywood. And after we're done, we also gonna cut a trim of plywood, which gonna be 2 1/4 strip. It's gonna be everywhere on perimeter, so we can put our cabinets inside and they will stay together nicely. Alright, so we attached 3 sides. So now I want to fit those cabinets inside there. Not bad. Alright guys, so the next thing we're gonna do, I pre-cut 4 6x6 squares. We're gonna screw them on like that, and this way I would be able to use these bolts to go through both sheets of plywood and secure our casters in place. So we'll install 4 of those squares, and then we're gonna put 2 normal casters on one side, which is gonna be back, and we put 2 lockable casters in front. All 4 casters installed. So my buddy gonna give me a hand and we're gonna flip this over. And it's on the wheels. Check this out. Woo! Not bad. Not bad at all. Starting to look like an awesome workstation. Alright, so our next step would be to trim 2 sides. This one is nice and flush, we're just gonna sand it, as well as this one right here. So we're gonna trim this side and that side. Not bad for a little saw. So last thing we're gonna do to this countertop, we're gonna give it a quick sand using 80 grit, 120, and we finish it with 240. Okay, let's start with 80. So here is the next day, guys, and before I told you that I'm gonna go with 120 and then 240 grit, but come on, it ain't a furniture, right? It's just a workbench. So I decided I'm gonna stop at 80 grit because it's already looking pretty nice. Before I put finish oil on it, we gotta figure out how to attach this countertop to the cabinets. Well, that's done. Now we have nice working station, guys. Boom shakalaka. Okay, oil time. That's done, and it's looking pretty nice. Looking actually pretty good for cheap plywood. And now we got such a nice pedestal for our drill press. Okay, the moment of truth. Now with the help of my buddy we're gonna set it on the table. 1, 2, 3. Man, wow, holy smokes. Okay, so now just left to figure out where I want it, on the center of the table or a little bit off like this, because I also plan to install a bunch of other tools like this little belt grinder, bench grinder, and of course bench vise. Alright guys, this is pretty much wraps up this project. Let's just plug this drill press on and see how it sounds. Alright, let's drill something. I don't have any metal here, but for now we can drill a few holes in this piece of oak. This is pretty hard wood. Alright guys, so this is pretty much finished mobile workstation, which I built with pleasure, and it's pretty functional. I like it. And the other thing, it has lots of compartments, so I can store a lot of stuff in there. Look how much room in here. Alright guys, this is gonna pretty much wrap this video up. Thank you very much for watching. If you guys dig this video, please hit that like button, and if you're not already, subscribe to this channel. There's gonna be a lot more interesting content in the future. I wish you guys Merry Christmas and Happy New Year. That's it for this one, and I will see you in the next one. Bye now.